Hinahang Rampaduras goes to Paris. Vlog ko. I'm just taking a video with that because it's this is your room and ate sa karaoke. Oh, she's there. Another one. Ticket for the metro. Kamarang sa mga plate. Sa Korea, the fare is very expensive, huh? 70 euros. 77 euros. We need to pay. So, ito na ito sa Paris. That's their bus here. Not bad. One of the oldest mall here in Paris. Sephora over here there. This is the home of L'Oréal Paris. Father and Sons. Father and Son. The hotel of the big time people. Hotel of the rich, very expensive. Hotel de Louvre. Oh, that is where Emily in Paris shoot. Ano sila mga pe? Morning a street. Christine ka, nice kayo. Nice. Katong nag-Olympics diri sa Paris, diri to siya. Yeah. Diri to siya, guys. Ang opening, mga mama. Naragan kayong mga bulb canal. They have a very big canal here. And kato sila si Emily. Anak to sila diha mga pe. Kung sa Emily in Paris. Dito sila mag-shoot. Wala. Muna siya doon mga mama. Go down. Look. They have a very wide canal here compared to Belgium because France is huge. Look at that view over there. There nag-opening ang Olympics, Paris Olympic 2024. It was here. It was a big moment here. You know. Nanglaag mi diri kay birthday treat ni ate kay maglaag siya paki. Kay sa man nga pag-ari na sa una. O man siya kauban kay naman siya uban man to siya sa iyang camping. So this is her 15th birthday treat. Saka kay Sava. Langga, I really want to buy that art with the Eiffel Tower langga. Ano na kong gauban? Wagi kapit house picture. Ay, naku. Ka feeling the moment. Wagi ko nun ni siya. You take that. Take that lang ga, okay? Mr. Sun is gone. Let me get you sa personal, guys. The camera doesn't justify at all how magnificent is the view here. Bati kanin cellphone na tong camera eh. That's the house of Mona Lisa over there. And langga! Look at the view here, Zachary. Look at that. You know what? Normally I want to buy one of those, but unfortunately I left my other wallet, the one who has cash. I just have card with me. You don't accept card, right?
Accept card, yeah.
You accept?
Yeah.
Yeah, but how much is that?
Which
Because
one you like?
atong to give you a 360 degrees view of this gorgeous place, this iconic canal here in Paris. This is where the opening of the Olympics done, you know. It was here. Ça va? This is okay. The business building of Paris is there, over there. My husband said he knows everything in this place. I don't know why, maybe he lives here before. Okay. Namin nagpasok-pasok ikasan. Nag-shooting man sila. Gorgeous building over there. That must be so expensive, you know. Kapit lang yan yung park na naman, kaya medyo ipadawa na ng business. Where's the curry? Where's the curry? Laba. Lakahi.
Mais on ça fait tout le tour comme ça, il fait un cercle de protection.
Kabisay ba ito tower is over there. Pag muti mo sa amin dari mga mama, kay gigosla na nagsigig nila tao. Hapit kami maabot sa Eiffel Tower. Dora kung ba na, nag-order pa o gamang makaon. Bon appetit, Zakari. Bon appetit, Papa. Oh, may naningog, boy. Kani nga mga apartment, guys. Nanaragit siya. Nanaragit tungod sa Eiffel Tower. Thirsty. Mga milyonaryo ang namuyuan. Kaya 30 ning mga mahala diri. Kahili ko tanaw og mga reality show about mga real estate. So mo lang ibaw ko. Namuyuan ni diri mga millionaires and billionaires. Kasi sa nagari kanang may apartment nga basta makita ang Eiffel Tower ang gamay. Oh, mahal na. Samot na ning diaras dool. Millionaires and billionaires na namuyuan ni dere. Wow! The reaction of Zakari. Wow! Zakari is here now again. And the Eiffel Tower. Wow! The experience, the expression, the impression of Zakari. Wow! Wow! Langga, we go there to the top. Wow, ko di gihapon mi ani kasod sa Eiffel Tower kaya naglinya, naglabo. Di gihapon ta tin. Makasakara ta ning Eiffel Tower puhuntin kung kanang kita ra ninyo kita puhuntin tadapni nimo. Saka ta diha. Kay imong papa si Daddy Charles nimo wa jud na siya patient maghuwat ng linya-linya. Kutob lang taning tanaw. We went here, there's no fence. And now they put the glass fence. But before there was nothing. Ah la la. But the goal was to climb all the way up there. But still there's a lot of people queuing just to go there. So yeah. Next time na lang pohon. Oh, look at the elevator at the top, Zakari. At the very top. Wow. Oh. Lala. Wow. Here is the other queue for going inside the Eiffel Tower. So just imagine that it's like never-ending queue, you know. And Malanga doesn't have patience for that, so we'll just do that next time when only us. So there's the Olympic sign. Voila. Sa una ba, huwag ni kural eh. Karang gikural naman nila eh. O im kayo sila. Di naman lang takadool sa Eiffel. Di naman lang takahikap. Sa una nakahikap ko sa Eiffel. Karang di na. Kaya kung ba na pwede ito ng ka-KJ. Di gina siya mulinya. Di nakanas taong naglinya. So ari-rami dari. Oh, there's a restaurant over there. Like it's a very exquisite restaurant. So expensive there to eat because it's in the Eiffel Tower itself, you know. Maha ang tower, guys. It's because the weather is very perfect. Perfect weather. It's 18 degrees sunny. The weather is perfection. That's why people are flooding everywhere here in this place. Wow! Mais c'est beaucoup de personnes là-bas, Zakari, hein? Beaucoup, hein? Zakari, before Zakari, when we went here, you were always crying. You were crying because you were not feeling well. And you were 1 year old at that time. Sige. Look at the moon there. We're waiting to be dark because we're waiting the Eiffel Tower to light up. You know? And here, very nice flowers here. Ang moon guys ba, oh, nagpatunga gid ang moon in town. Niapil siya sa mga circle there sa Olympic. Wow, it lights up now. See? Wow. Wow. Yee! Oh. Wow, they're so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Wow. It lights up now. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Kay lakon mo sa tamang tanaw ay kay nindot mang kaayo. Samot na gini pag Olympic tong line yung color ani nga pwede yung ka-attract sa TV. Samot na gito sa personal. Finally, I see the Eiffel Tower by night. It's so gorgeous. Kami dire kaya ron makita na mong Eiffel Tower. Ay, kailangan nagpinicturay. Ay, overloading ang tao. Natinaghan na. Ako ang mag-video ako man eh. Atubang, gali. You know, langga, do not fall my camera, my phone. It's so gorgeous, it's so elegant, but my camera doesn't justify that at all, you know. Wow, there, I capture now. Oh, look at that, so gorgeous. It's a restaurant boat. Wow, magnifique Zachary, huh? The Eiffel Tower is just right beside us. Voila! It's so gorgeous when there's lights. Into the hotel now. We take this train. We're going back to the hotel. Dari to Fatigi. Buko Balay.